Do I want to get earbuds with superior sound quality, or do I want to get earbuds that aren't going to break the bank? Both! How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today, I'm unboxing the Jabra Elite 3 True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds sport some impressive sound features, all in an affordable package. They were designed to handle everything you want in an earbud, from the 4 built-in microphones for superior call quality, as well as a rich, powerful bass for optimal music enjoyment. They've got a premium, comfortable design that blocks out most of the sound around you, but for those who need a little reminder of what's going on around them, there's also hear-through technology built in. Well, what's hear-through technology? I'll tell you right after we unbox this. All right, any video about earbuds has to have a little bit of ASMR. Let's do that. Okay, so first thing that I want to point out right here, they say they're committed to sustainability. If you've been watching Unbox This for a while, you know that I really do care about the environment and I like to do what I can to limit my impact on the earth around me. So let's see what they say here. We only use sustainable FSC certified materials and environmentally friendly vegetable-based inks in our packaging. I love that. They say they're 100% sustainable, recyclable, and guilt-free. I love a guilt-free moment. Okay. Now let's continue on with the unboxing. All right, here we have the earbuds. We've got a... Oh gosh, I keep dropping things. Okay, we have a peel moment here. All right, so that's the earbud. Let's pop this one back in. And pull out the next one. Peel this off. And then we'll pop it back in. This is a very lightweight carrying case. It's really small, easy to just put into your back pocket or into your purse or your backpack. So I'm already impressed with this product. Now in here, we have some additional ear tips. So if you need something larger or smaller for your ears, you can replace the ones that came on the earbuds and put on whichever ones are going to fit you the best. We also have a USB to USB-C cord. Here we have the safety information and warranty. And then right here, this serves as your sort of installation guide, your quick start guide. All right, you guys, that's everything that comes in the box. Pretty simple unboxing today, so let's clear off all of this packaging material and we'll talk about the Jabra Elite 3 earbuds. Okay, so let's get right into the sound quality. The Jabra Elite 3 earbud features 6mm speakers that were built to pump out that bass. You shouldn't have to compromise on sound quality just because you're using an earbud, and Jabra's got you covered. There's also a lot of audio customization available with the Jabra Sound Plus app, which comes included. When you need to take a call on the go, the built-in microphones have got you covered. These come with not 1, not 2, but 4 microphones for enhanced audio quality while you're on the phone. They were also designed with noise cancellation in mind, and they do an excellent job of getting out background noise. Basically, when I put these on, this is all that I hear. But let's say you do want to keep hearing your environment because, let's face it, sometimes it helps to hear the world around you. Thank you. Hear Through technology is built into the Jabra Elite 3 True Wireless Earbuds, which picks up all external sounds through its 4 microphones, so you have the options. Listen to the world around you, or don't. I don't care. I'm not your mom. I just show off the headphones that make that possible. Now, these earbuds come with 7 hours of battery life, and the case can handle up to 28 hours without a charge. So when you combine that, you can experience 126,000 seconds of entertainment before you even have to plug them in. Speaking of, these also come with a USB Type-C to Type-A charger, perfect for anyone who's ever bought a brand new electronic only to realize there's a brand new charger that only works for that product. Not gonna name any names, but you know who you are. If you'd like to buy a pair for yourself, go ahead and click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys.